Our project title is Community Detection Algorithms, a Comparative Analysis. Our project mainly consists of following terminology: community and community detection. Community is defined as it is a group that contains the nodes that are most frequently interacted. It is also having several names like cluster, cohesive subgroup, module in different contexts. What is community detection is discovering groups in a network where individual group memberships are not explicitly given. In our project, we are performing a comparative analysis based on the performance of algorithms for community detection on various graphs. Here we test several methods against a benchmark called LFR benchmark, which supports both heterogeneous distribution of degree and community size. The algorithms are compared based on their performance on this benchmark. In our project, we are comparing the following two algorithms, CFinder and GCE. For the LFR benchmark, we pass the following parameters: number of nodes, power law distribution factors, average maximum degree, minimum and maximum community size, overlap memberships, fraction of nodes going outside. The execution of LFR benchmark. Flags.dat is a file that contains a set of parameters. This is how the parameters get Zero.edges is the input data set we are using here. In this 236 and 186 are the nodes. 236 here represents 236 is having an edge with the 186 node. Now we pass the input dataset file 0.edges to the LFR benchmark, and we redirect the output to the LFR comms.txt. These are the communities formed by the LFR benchmark. CFinder algorithm. CFinder is a software tool for network cluster detection based on the CPM. CPM stands for the click percolation method. This method is used by the CFinder is designed to locate the k-click communities. In this algorithm, a community can be interpreted as a union of smaller complete subgraphs that share nodes. Here the complete subgraph is termed as k-clicks, where k stands for the number of nodes in that complete subgraph. Now the execution of the CFinder algorithm. The same data set input file 0.edges is passed to the CFinder algorithm. As a result, the clicks are formed in this format. As a result, a 0.edges files is formed. In these, for different k values, communities are formed. These are the set of communities formed for the CFinder algorithm. Next is greedy click expansion algorithm. This algorithm identifies distinct clicks as seeds and expands these seeds by greedily optimizing a local fitness function. The local fitness function is this one. And now the execution of the GC algorithm. The input file 0.edges is passed to the GC algorithm, and the output communities are redirected to the gccom.txt. These are the set of communities formed by the GC algorithm. In our project, we are using NMI, a quantitative measure for the comparison. NMI stands for the Normalized Mutual Information. It provides an accurate value. The formula for the NMI is given as follows. Firstly, we pass the communities formed by the LFR benchmark and the set of communities formed by the CFinder to the NMI program. This is the command we used. As a result, we got an NMI value produced is 0.425. Naturally, the value ranges from 0 to 1. Then after, we pass the set of communities formed by the LFR benchmark and the set of communities formed by the GC, and the NMI value produced as a result is 0.43. Now we pass the NMA values we got from the both the GC algorithm and CFinder to the GNU plot. As a result, an graph is produced. GNU plot produces this graph in this which it shows that GC is performing better than the CFinder. Thank you.